Now let's see this question. A sum of money becomes 16 times of itself in 4 years. If the interest is being compounded annually, then what is the rate of interest? So they are saying that some amount is becoming 16%. So if you assume that if you are investing P, then they are saying that it is becoming 16P in 4 years, right? So you can solve it this way. In the total time period, we have 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us say we have 4 parts. Why 4 parts? Because they are saying that it is compounded annually. That is why 4 parts. Always remember this. The total time period you have to divide into slots depending on when it is being compounded. Okay. Since it is compounded annually and it is 4 years, that is why I have got 4 parts. Now let us assume that R is the rate of interest per part. And what is the size of each part here? 1 year. Therefore R will become the rate of interest per annum. Okay. Whatever answer you get is going to be rate of interest per annum. Just be careful there. Now R is same over all the years. Okay. Now accordingly, if P you are going to invest here, they are saying that it is becoming 16P by the end of 4 years, right? And the number of years or number of parts here is 4. The slot is 4. Now how can we express it in the formula that we have derived? Now we know that amount A equal to P into 1 plus number of rate of interest per part. So rate of interest per part is R divided by 100 whole par number of parts. So number of parts in this case is 4, isn't it? Therefore you can substitute in place of a 16P because the final amount is going to be 16 times the initial amount. Therefore these two got cancelled. Now 1 plus R by 100 equal to 4th root of 16. 4th root of 16 is 2. Therefore 2 equal to 1 plus R by 100. Now what does it mean? R by 100 equal to 1 or R equal to 100% per annum. Why per annum? Because that is what we have assumed here, right? So we have to assume only R as the rate of interest per slot, and in this case this slot happened to be per annum. So the rate of interest per annum is going to be 100. So what is the meaning of it? If you are going to have the rate of interest as 100% per annum, then by the end of 4 years it is going to be 16 times the actual amount. If you want to see it, you can see it this way. See, now initially you have invested P. You are saying that it is growing by 100%, which means it is going to be double. If it is growing by 100%, which means you are going to get exactly the same amount which you are going to invest in 1 year, right? So every year it is going to give you 100% returns, right? Therefore after 1 year it is going to give you P plus P, isn't it? Now since it is compounded annually, the interest whichever you are getting is also going to be invested and also has to grow. Got it? Therefore after 1 year this is the case. Now after 2 years what is the case? This is going to give you P and P, because again the this one is same as 100% the rate of interest, right? And again this one is also going to give you same like this. Now after 3 years what is that you are going to get? P, 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 and again this one is also going to give you P, right? After 4 years, so since this is 8, you are going to get 16. Therefore 16 times you are going to get it, right? So P is going to become 2P 100% after 2 years, and 2P is going to become 4P, which means again 100% growth. So after 1 year, after 2 years, and again it is going to become 8P after 3 years, and again it is going to become 16P after 4 years. Therefore P, if you invest now, after 4 years it is going to become 16P if it is going to grow at a rate of 100% every year. Got it? Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177. and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.